today we have Spencer Traxtle, our first winner of the B2B raffle. Like now that you're getting $1,000 credit, what is your plan?
I'm going to get another LiftMaster opener from you guys. Yeah, just keep rolling.
So first of all, congrats. You know, it's $1,000. It's always a good thing to get. So can you introduce your company and, you know, where you're based? What do you do? What is your specialty in the world of perimeter security?
First off, I'm Spencer Traxtle of RiverEdge Gates. I specialize just in custom driveway gates and railing and other custom fabrication needs, but specifically driveway gates. I just build one-of-a-kind, one-off gates, and all security has been great. Quick shipping. I run all strictly LiftMaster products. Owning a business and, you know, building the gates and everything else, I don't have time to go through and fix people's issues with their gates and stuff. So I try to run top tier products. Specifically, LiftMaster stuff has been really good. Just you don't make any money going out and fixing issues if you supply a warranty with your product. So that's been really nice. Shipping too is within a couple weeks. Most of the time, you know, we had some delays a couple years ago during the whole COVID thing. That was to be expected. But yeah, overall, I mean, they've been good, helped out with whatever I needed, and yeah.
And so which is your go-to operator?
My go-to for residential, light commercial, realistically, if it is mainly commercial, I'm going to run with like a CSW R12 or the 24 volt system as well. The 12s have been great. I've ran a couple of the 24s and the 12s. I don't see much difference between the two, but for like residential use, the LA 400s are great. I've even installed them on 1,200 pound gates as long as there's not much, as long as the gates are pretty open and not solid face, you know, for that wind issue. And then if you're running a double gate, you definitely want to run with the like 1,200 pound mag lock, and just to keep them together, that wind will come through, you know, and especially if they're big, heavy gates. But yeah, I've never had issues where anything's failed on me. Sometimes from factory, you know, if you're running if you're buying 150 openers or whatever over the course of a couple years, you're definitely going to have one just from factory that might be bad, or something with it might be wrong. But other than that, when they're in the field, I haven't had one issue with something going bad. So they've been really great. But
and where are you located?
I'm based out Eugene, Oregon, kind of service all surrounding states and stuff, just depending on what the job is. So yeah, I mean, there's not a lot of people that do what I do in this area, that build the gate, install, and also do service and stuff as well. Most companies, they'll outsource one or the other, you know, so it's kind of nice. All the customers kind of want a whole package deal type of a thing. I'll do the concrete, electrical, everything kind of start with it. Yeah.
Okay, so like a one-stop shop.
That's exactly right. Yeah. And if there's
something cool, because I went to check your gates and some of them are very artistic. So that's not for everybody.
Yeah, and all the laser work I do, I custom draw everything and then convert it all into a laser file, have it lasered out, and then so I do all sorts of puzzle gates and all sorts of crazy stuff. My website hasn't been updated for about 2 years now, but yeah, I got about a couple hundred more gates I haven't put on there, but yeah, all sorts of different ones.
And so, you know, the point of all security equipment is always to get better, do better. What are the things that you would like to see from all security equipment in the future?
You know, obviously you guys what are you guys based out in Florida, right?
Yep.
So, you know, obviously, you know, the openers, you know, it comes at a cost, and, you know, and I compared, you know, I've ordered from multiple websites in the past before really getting going, and you guys have seemed to be the fastest delivery once it's ordered, and shipping's actually not too bad. I wish it wasn't the cost it was, but anywhere you go, it's either more expensive or the same, or the shipping's maybe cheaper, but the product's more. So overall, you guys are great. But yeah, shipping costs, like if I want to order a bunch of stuff, I'm like, man, you know, stuff's got to come in freight, whatever, but it's also coming across the country. So if you live closer, I'm sure shipping ain't that bad.
So actually, the funny thing is no, because we did some studies, and there is like a $20 saving to ship from like Utah to Oregon, then Miami to Oregon. Do not ask me why.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I was as surprised as you are. I was like, yeah, it's going to be like half price. Nope.
Yeah.
It's like $20-$30 cheaper.
Yeah, I noticed once in a while you guys will have free shipping for this month or for these couple months, whatever, and somehow I always miss those opportunities.
I'll make sure the marketing sends you the email
during that time. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, and I don't know if you guys will offer in the future, not any, buy in bulk type of thing to get some sort of a deal or any type of contractor type discount
Yes.
with buying in bulk
Yes.
multiple openers and stuff. So
Actually, we're going to start that in the next couple of days.
yeah,
Well,
yeah.
it's a technical issue that we're putting in place, and we're just going to set it up. And so whenever you buy a pallet, you get an extra discount on top of the discount that you have already.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Another thing also I'd like to add about All Security is, I did go through the steps to try to become a LiftMaster dealer, to like cut out a second party about a little over a year ago and a year and a half ago, and the prices weren't any different. I mean, I was like, wow, if I could get them through them and then whatever else, I mean, they were literally the same price as what I was paying through you guys. So it was no better deal. I was hoping maybe they'd give me a bunch on hand and then I pay as I use whatever, but that wasn't the case. I mean, it was the same price having a deal. Maybe shipping was a little cheaper, whatever else, but yeah, so I was kind of blown away by that. I'm like, well, I might as well just use you guys, and yeah. So
make it easy. No, for sure.
Yeah.
And so what I'm interested in is like now you're getting $1,000 credit. What are you going to be an operator? Are you going to try new things? What is your plan?
With the $1,000? Yeah, I'm gonna get another LiftMaster opener from you guys, and I'll obviously add to it a little bit, and yeah, just keep rolling. I mean, I have about 12 more gate projects right now. I got to get wrapped up, and then spring's coming around, so then it's gonna fill me up for a whole nother year here just this spring. So yeah, I'll get another 20 or 30 jobs, and yeah.
Super. Yeah, no, so for the bulk, we're going to offer, I think it's going to be around another 5% discount. So that's going to help. And because it's a pallet, the shipping is not going to be that much. So you're going to be saving, a lot more. All right, that's great to hear, Spencer. I, hope that we're going to see more orders from you. I wish you all the best in Oregon with your project. And thank you so much for being a great partner for All Security Equipment.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks a lot. And your guys' tech service is great too. Most of the time I can figure whatever out, but if I'm stumped, I mean, you guys get right on it and get it fixed up for me. So I really appreciate that. Yeah, I look forward to hearing from you again.
We are excited to announce that we're doing a $1,000 giveaway sweepstake every month for our pro members. For a chance to win, visit us at allsecurityequipment.com.